haven't gotten ready fully in probably over 50 days because, as we all know, we are in quarantine. I literally have not done this in so long. It's been over a year, almost a year, since I uploaded my last video. So I thought I would just do a get ready with me just because I haven't done my makeup in over 50 days. So I was like, you know what? Why not film it? And second, because I haven't said anything about my life in over like almost a year. So what better time to do it than now? Let's just vibe. Like, I literally don't even know. I hope everyone's staying safe. Seriously, I really hope that everyone is staying healthy and following the rules and the precautions that the government's giving. So I thought I would, get cute today. It is currently 2:11. I woke up at like 11:30 because I wake up at that time every day because I go to bed at like 3 because there's nothing to do. So basically right now I'm finishing my associate's degree, finally, after 3 years, because I went to a private school my first year of college, my freshman year, and then I transferred. I was gonna originally study abroad, and I think that's where it left off. Literally last year. So 2 years ago. What? Okay, yeah. So 2 years ago, originally I was supposed to go to England and study abroad, but then it was way too expensive. The tuition in general for the private school, and I'm not trying to be in debt, so I was like, you know what? We're not doing this. And it's not that I didn't like the school. It was a private Christian school, and like I liked it. I honestly, I didn't hate it or anything, but I just couldn't justify spending the insane tuition money. That's what happened 2 years ago. And then, so I've been at a community college for 2 years now. I'm finally finishing my degree. Step didn't transfer, and that's why I had to do an extra year. And yeah, that's exciting. And I'm transferring to a 4-year this upcoming fall. But obviously with everything that's happening, it's like, who even cares if it's just going to be online anyways? My eyebrows are filled in. I'm sure a lot of people are wondering why I haven't uploaded in a year. Like, it's like, oh, where'd you go? A lot of people probably do not care and don't even remember I exist, and that's fine too. There's like no good reason. Honestly, I just did not feel like it. I didn't. No me dio la gana. It's like, I just don't know how to say it in English. Like, I didn't feel like it. I'm always scared that it's not going to be like good enough, or like I'm not getting enough views. Like, it's like the usual stuff. The usual YouTuber issues. Like, oh, that sucks for you. And like I started a new job this past year, so I was like always really tired from that. Literally the usual excuses, like it's just really, there's no good reason. Nothing traumatic happened. I was just over it kind of. Lately, I've been feeling like I have an audience and a platform. And also, I like studying and like unboxings and like stuff like that. So I'm probably gonna upload a few of those kind of videos. And then, I don't know, like some study with me's once it's like next year. Or I really like bullet journaling. I feel like I've evolved, especially, I'm really bad at talking and doing things. I'm like supposed to be doing my makeup right now. What's next? What I really like doing is like beginner stuff. I like teaching people because I'm not super advanced at makeup. Like, I just kind of figured it out by myself from YouTube, and I never really kept going with it, like doing like full glam, doing crazy awesome beautiful artistic looks. Like, that just never, like I didn't ever move in that direction, and that's totally fine. I originally was Beauty by Canela, like that's why I started my channel when I was 12 years old, and I'm 21 now. Can you believe that? But the thing is about life is that you never know what's gonna happen. Who knew that this coronavirus stuff would happen? Like, no one. I try not to be affected of like what other people are thinking when they see me or like watch me. I still live with my parents because guess what? I'm not rich. I don't have money to move out like a lot of people end up doing, and that's because I stopped doing YouTube and stuff. And like that's totally fine. It's just like where I'm at in life right now. So I don't know, it's like all those little things. All that personal stuff, So anyways, now I'm gonna use the Jack and Hill palette because that's all I literally ever use. I'm probably gonna just do like the usual, like I'm just gonna do some neutral brown smoky whatever. I'm doing eyeshadow first because I'm going for like a really lifted look, and so I don't want any fallout. In the past year, my sister and I actually redid our whole room. You probably can't tell from this because it looks kind of the same, but that's gray instead of black. So got new furniture and like moved stuff around. So that was something that happened that I could have filmed, but I didn't. So the last video I uploaded was a BTS vlog. That was a year ago. That happened a year ago this week or last week. And I was supposed to go to their concert again this week, front row basically. But that got canceled obviously, so that's fine. These glitters right here are so beautiful. I'm obsessed with them. I think I'm gonna use Ride or Diamonds. So we're just gonna put it right in the center of my lid. I'm gonna be smoking out my top lash line, but I just like to have it underneath because it just adds like more dimension. And this is also why I didn't put on foundation first. So I'm just gonna go in with a smaller brush, and I'm gonna take this darker color over here, and I'm gonna blend that a little bit more. I'm gonna darken the outer corner. So I'm gonna use the Glossier Pro Tip eyeliner. This is okay. It's okay. Honestly, it's pretty good. It's like a nice little brush tip, which I love brush tip eyeliner. That's why I like this. I'm gonna put one line on each. I'm not gonna wing it out. I will maybe after. Maybe I will. I don't know. I do this just so it gives my eye more definition, and then I put black eyeshadow and I wing it out because I don't really like how harsh physical liquid eyeliner looks. I'm just gonna do the eyeshadow wing off camera because that takes so long for me, but basically I'm gonna use this brush, and also my camera is about to die, so like I'm trying to conserve it. So I'm gonna use this flat top brush from Morphe, and I'm just gonna go like this, follow my natural eyeline and smoke it out, and then with a smaller pencil brush I'm just gonna smoke out the top with this dark color right here and this one. Oh, and from the Jack & Jill 2 palette, I like the black. It's super pigmented. So I'm gonna do that really quick. Be right back. Okay, so I finished the wing, and I haven't done this in so long. I feel like it looks really bad, but I'll fix it as I go. It's very important to remember to trust the process because I know this looks really crazy, and I look at myself in the bathroom mirror and I was like, what is this, sis? But you have to trust the process. Next, we're doing foundation. I think I'm gonna use my Peach Perfect. This is really, really good, really flawless finish. I just applied this directly to my face, and that was way too much. So first I'm gonna use this is dripping off me, but it's my It Cosmetics number 7 brush. It's the conceal brush, that's what it says. This is my favorite foundation brush. Honestly, it makes your face look so flawless. Oh, and another reason why I didn't want to film, especially makeup stuff, is because my skin was extremely bad last year. So that was like a really big insecurity. I don't know, I didn't want to film with it. I realized that no one's skin is ever gonna be perfect, and that's okay. And we all have insecurities, and I think that people like to see when you're embracing it or just don't care and just addressing it, you know? Because I feel like a lot of people act like,
oh my gosh, I'm perfect and I live a perfect life.
But that's not the case. But I'm gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, put that under my eyes, blemishes, and my chin. Oh yeah, I watched a Bob Ross painting tutorial last night, and I did it on Procreate on my iPad. I should have filmed that. Why didn't I do that? I don't know. So maybe I'll do a video of that if anyone wants to see that, because that was really fun. And it's not done yet because it takes so long. He does it in 25 minutes somehow. It took me 3 hours. So I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder as always. We're just gonna bake. As you can see, it's all about trusting the process. It looks so scary. I'm just gonna take the same colors I did up here underneath. So I'm gonna use the flat brush and just kind of tap on my lower lash line with it. Trust the process. I'm gonna use a small little brush like this, and I'm gonna take the same sparklies and I'm gonna put them right there. Oh my gosh, wait, do I have to do eyelashes? I hate putting on eyelashes. So now I'm gonna take my big fluffy It Cosmetics brush. This is Wand Ball Powder number 8, and just literally swipe it. So I'm gonna use this big brush. This is Chocolate Soleil from Too Faced, and I'm just gonna contour, but I'm gonna do it higher up like that. Take this again and blend this a little lower. Next is some blush. Very important. This is the Morphe something. It's one blush trio de blush. Oh, trio de blush, in Pop of Coral. I'm reading in Spanish. And just right up there. Guys, I don't know why I applied so much eyeshadow. I really don't. But realistically, I'm gonna stay home. That's what's so funny, is there's nowhere to go. There's literally there's nowhere to go. I'm gonna finish the face with some highlight because you need it. So this is the So Hollywood by Anastasia. We're not even done. That's the funny part. See, my camera's dying. I knew it. I think I'm just gonna end it here for now, and then maybe film a clip later because my phone is literally, my camera's dying. But I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do highlight on my nose, on my cheeks. You're like, I don't care, don't tell me, show me. But I can't because my camera's dying. So I'm gonna put on some individual lashes, some mascara, eyebrow gel, straighten my hair, and that's basically it. So like, this is the basic stuff, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Oh, and lipstick. So you'll probably see a clip of me later when my camera is done charging. Thank you guys for listening. I don't know if anyone sat through this. I don't even know how long this is gonna be, but if this made this to YouTube, honestly, I'm really proud of myself. If you have any questions, I will answer them down below. Yeah, so I'm just gonna end it here for now. I might do another outro, so see you in that. I just finished getting ready, put on this literally the basicest outfit ever to exist on planet Earth. Now we're just gonna try and take some pictures with the mirror. I don't even know how it's gonna work out, honestly. Like, I really don't know if they're gonna even come out good. If I'm getting ready with nowhere to go, I'm gonna get some pictures, you know, for Instagram. We will see how good they turn out, but so I just finished eating some dinner because what time is it? It's 5:23. That's so early for dinner. And now I'm gonna go ahead and edit some of them. They turned out so good. You'll probably see them on my Instagram before this video goes up. So thank you to my sister for taking all the pictures of me. She took like all of them on my phone and a few on the camera, and those came out really good. I think those are my favorite ones just because I like the level of quality that they are. I have all this makeup on still, so I'm like, I may as well keep filming. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here. I think that this is the whole video. I think I did an intro. I don't even remember, but if not, whatever. I actually filmed today. Like, today was such a productive day. I did my makeup, I filmed it, and I took pictures, and I posted on Instagram. What? Yeah, so I'm back for sure. I'm for sure back, especially because, I don't know, I feel like it's time for me to be back. Let me know what you guys want to see. I will see you guys in my next one.